guys, it's Mario. And before I start all the funny stuff, I'm going to be telling you guys something. Why are you really dumb? Well, I'm not dumb, but I think there was something I have to tell you guys. On Christmas, it came out really good until I had to leave. And me and my cousins actually went to the house. I wasn't there because it disappointed me. My dad told me not to feel bad, so that's why I'm okay. But I would not feel okay without you guys. So yeah, you guys know that because you guys are my favorite people. It's gonna go out. It's gonna go out nice. So, don't be alarmed, but we're gonna be building a whole thing of a sculpture. So yeah, let me just get the camera. Let me just get the camera. I'm just gonna put it right there. So yeah. First I'm gonna put on a shirt. And props for this shirt, guys. Some people might like this shirt. Actually, this shirt is actually not on sale on my channel, but when I got it, it was on sale at Walmart, so go get it. It's on sale. And there's actually since for Christmas, there's a whole bunch of stuff on sale at Walmart, so that's pretty much why my dad got this for me. But this is an extra large. I'm not extra large. I have a medium. So yeah, let's get the big couple Legos. Got it, you guys. So now you guys might know what's this. This is my clothes. Now you see, not all the Legos work out, so it's actually all the Legos. We're just gonna use the ones that we got for Christmas. Building. You guys, I'm bad. Okay, so what you guys want me to make is something like this. We're just gonna for the block, pretty much simple, it's in length, and we're gonna add something. Oh, it's nothing. It's just this, you guys, is gonna be a human, guys. And yeah. So let's try and tell you guys something. They're actually for Christmas. These are $4. $4. Oh God, I just ruined it, man. But I just fixed it. And now let's make some legs. The legs are going to be white because you're going to be wearing white pants. Arms are going to be decent, they have to be white because it can be that white. Let's get the white ones. The head's going to be not white. There we go. The head.
Mario, bring my phone back.
Daddy, I'm making a video. So you guys might hear my dad, but yeah, my dad kind of wants his phone back, but I can't give you his phone back, so this one I can't. Because I'm making a video, but you guys might be wondering why the world, why? Now I'm gonna make a shoe, it's gonna be white. Because he has those Yeezys on. Bleak. So we started all clothing because he's gonna be snowy outside. So this is it. So far my human has been going. Now we're gonna make it giant. We're not giant, but now you guys can actually win this. Don't win it. but like you guys can actually go and actually if you guys get give this to 1,000 likes and you guys are gonna be somebody that's watching, you guys are gonna be getting this. It's probably gonna be shit. No, it's not gonna. Nothing's gonna be actually happening, and then he's gonna be only one short. Shorts. The reason he's doing this is just so I want to him because he came with his outfit. So yeah. It's his outfit. It's his outfit. No, he's gonna have these are his shoes. I know. And then he's really bad blue because he's all wanky. He's a cool dude, so it's his dark blue. He's my guy. My guy changes. He's like pretty much gonna be like that. It's my guy. Now, if you guys do not want to, actually, if you guys do not want, guys, it's just, so, let's just see me do back for you guys. Give this 100 likes and I'll do. Give me back if you guys want me to do. Like, just 1,000 likes and I'll do 4 back. Maybe even more, maybe like 7. But only if you give this video to 1,700K. Okay, guys, and I know it's a lot. Only. Now, it's okay if you don't, because you guys don't know. You guys don't know me. Yes, my friend is watching. I'm gonna say hi to you, Bennett. Now, he knows. If he is watching, then no, but I'm saying hi to Bennett to him because I didn't have a chance to make a video all week, so yeah. But yes, there's something I need to tell you guys. Before this video ends, something really, really important. There's some new stuff that you guys can. I'm gonna be making some merch one day. Somewhere. Yeah, if I could, well, I don't know if I could. If I could, then I will. But if I can't, then I won't. You know that stuff, right? If I can, then I won't. If I can, these are the ones I read yesterday, so this is what's up? Just not even know what will go on for the next one like that, and then that, this thing goes on. Top, no, the top. I have a Lego dog. But did I forget to mention something? Yeah. Let's see there. I think I have to get. Guys, I'm still making videos on this camera, but because I have to get a new battery and a new SD card because it broke them. My dog broke them. No, my dog didn't break them, but this what happened was, let's see, this part right here, it was open, and it slated, broke the SD card, but the battery's still fine. I just have to be new one because it's dead. So here's probably doing some videos on here. But if I do not do videos on here, what will I do? Make videos on my phone again? Yeah. So I'm gonna do my camera safety right here. So I don't want it to get ruined. No. I'm gonna keep it up here. So if you guys want some, if you guys want to, Actually, comment down below, hit the bell, like this video, and then I hope if you enjoyed it, please give this video about to 17. No wait, well, what did I say before? I don't know, like 700 million K. Yes, I think I said that. I have no idea, but that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm sticking with. If you guys, and yeah, that's how you guys are gonna be winning. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna be starting to get some wins out, and yeah, you're just not gonna come to my house, pick it up, and just ship it to you guys. You guys give me your address, so you know, put it in front of your door, and then yeah, you guys can walk out, you grab it, and then see what it is. If it says from me, then yeah. So I'm gonna be changing my name. Don't bother me. I'm just gonna be changing my name and my picture because I just started. I started. The reason why I started was because I always got like fun, and that's why you guys are gonna be on the favorite hour. If you guys comment down below, you guys are gonna be my favorite, and I might actually put your house in if you leave me your address. But if you guys don't like me, it's okay. Cause, well, I'm actually I'm gonna tell you guys something really weird, but I know that you guys. Yeah. So for now, I'm gonna call you guys some name. Yeah. Hi guys, and stay strong, Mars Squad. You know that. But before I end the video, I'm gonna be doing something for you guys. Oh, my nipple. Okay, yeah, that's something. That's not it. Okay, done. Now, tell you what, if this thing is down, because I will keep it on, but that's just what I'm just doing. But it's possible this thing's secure. Now, this camera is really special to me. I used to make videos on this. I don't know. Well, I know. No, I used to make videos, but I still like it. And that's why I love you guys. And yeah. So, you guys have a secret? Yeah. Like, if you want this leg, I streamed it last night up here. This is the screen. It's a cut, but it's actually screened. So yeah, I'm just going on here. It's from last night, but if you want that leg to feel better, I don't have a cast on this. Why would I need a cast? I'm strong. So remember, you guys, if you guys want to know my age, just look at this video, and I'm 7. So let's get to the end of this video a little bit. I have to show you. Yeah, so just stay right there. Now, I'm gonna do something. You're gonna have some tack time. Tack. Stick you in the camera lens. So yeah, so tack. That's kind of something I have to show you. So after tack time, it's getting him dipper. Yeah, so bye guys. See you guys later. And if you guys want some more videos, comment down below, and yeah, I'll give you some more. And comment down below, what should I do in my next video? Should I wash your mouth challenge? I don't know. Should I play a pump? I don't know. Bye.